My water lily is finally getting back to life. If you see, the leaves have become bigger. On my last post it was very tiny leaves. I don't give any special attention to this. Only thing is it's been kept in the direct sun. It get full sun of almost 6 to 7 hours, and I clean this moss which comes up automatically, so in order to keep it clean. And the next thing what I do is I change the water every 2 to 3 weeks. And the last step is fertilizing. I use this fertilizer. Someone from the Facebook plant group had suggested me this fertilizer, so I give 2 tabs of this fertilizer every 15 days, or sometimes once in a month. So it's very easy. Take 2 tabs, and what I do is I gently throw it near the root. And push it to inside the soil near the root. So that's it. That's only care I give for my water lily.